So hello everyone. Before this lecture, I have completed the carbohydrates and its classifications. Okay, so it is and one short lecture I have also completed regarding the glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. Okay, it is very important bond found in the disaccharides and polysaccharides. Okay, so it is my last lecture in which we will describe the polysaccharides. Okay, polysaccharides, simply polysaccharide I have described that it is made up of more than 10 monosaccharide units. Okay, so that's why poly means there are several types of more than 10 monosaccharides units. When joined together through a glycosidic bond, it form the polysaccharides. Okay, so here actually I have explained polysaccharides, which is two types, homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Okay, so homopolysaccharide is further divided into two classes. One is glucosine and second is fructosine. Okay, glucosine, the examples of glucosine is mentioned in this, and in this if you see there are several best examples I have mentioned in this. First lecture is starch. Okay, glycogen, cellulose, dextrin and dextron and chitin. Okay, so it is the example of glucosine, while fructosine, if you see, only one example found in fructosine, which is inulin. Okay, so question can be arises from this part. Suppose that question can be asked in scientific exams like that, which is the example of fructosine. Okay, so four option will be mentioned there. Okay, so you will choose the correct one. Okay, so heteropolysaccharide की जब बात करोगे तो it is divided into one class and glucosamine glycans. Okay, and mucopolysaccharides. Okay, you can also say that it is mucopolysaccharides. Okay, so example, if you see glycosaminoglycans, so you can see heparin sulfate. Okay, heparin sulfate, heparon, dermatan sulfate, chondroitin sulfate and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it is the best example of glycosaminoglycans. Okay, inside you can also write down the GAC. Okay, so it is very important point regarding the carbohydrate, and basically if you classify this, then polysaccharides. Okay, so question in several competitive exams, question can be arises from this part. Okay, means question will be asked that which is the example of glycosaminoglycans. Okay, so heparin, if one is heparin. Okay, so three option will be wrong, so you should be choose the right answer. Okay, so it is the homo and heteropolysaccharides. Okay, so it is very important point of carbohydrates chemistry, biochemistry. And so here I so if you want to write down, then please write this. Okay, take a picture. Okay, so here we will write down the some important question regarding carbohydrate. First of all, important question regarding the carbohydrate, important questions. So first question is that lactic acid is first carbohydrate, second non-carbohydrate, C protein, D lipid. So the right answer will be the, because I have explained before that the general formula of carbohydrate is CnH2nOn. Okay, so but exception is there, lactic acid, acetic acid and deoxyribose. Okay, deoxyribose. Okay, so it is actually this compound follow this rule, but they are not carbohydrates. So first option will be neglect, second option non-carbohydrate, so it will be the correct answer. Okay, so it is very important question and have been asked in the medical system. Okay, second question is that glycosidic bond present in first monosaccharides, second disaccharide, seed dia and polysaccharides, fourth all. Okay, so the right answer will be the right answer. So monosaccharide, there will be no glycosidic bond because it is the simple sugar. Okay, disaccharides, glycosidic bond is present because two units joined together. Suppose this is glucose, then this is fructose. Disaccharide, polysaccharides, okay, because disaccharide glycosidic bond will be found and polysaccharide it is also present. So the right answer will be the C is the right one. Okay, so third question is that chitin is example of homopolysaccharide, heteropolysaccharide, disaccharide, none. So what is the right answer? Homosaccharide, because chitin is an example of polysaccharides and polysaccharides which homopolysaccharides. Okay, similarly a question can be asked like that, cellulose is an example of then homopolysaccharide because cellulose and chitin are the same members homopolysaccharides. Okay, heparan sulfate is an question is that heparan sulfate is an, okay, first option will be homopolysaccharide, B is heteropolysaccharide, C is disaccharide, D is none. So what is the right answer? Heteropolysaccharides. Okay, and it is aminoglycans. Okay, question. Okay, so it is the very important question regarding the carbohydrate chemistry. One question is also, the question can be as inulin is an, okay, first option is given the homopolysaccharide, B homopolysaccharide and fructose, C is homopolysaccharide, heteropolysaccharide, polysaccharide, D is none. So what is the right answer? This one. Okay, so it is all about the carbohydrate chemistry. Okay? So almost this lecture has been in depth. Okay, and here I have completed the carbohydrate chemistry. Okay, next lecture will be the protein. Okay, so thank you for all. Please subscribe and like my video. Okay, thank you.